Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture I will show you how to save and open file inside Maya. So let's create an object. To create an object we will click on the Windows option and then click on the content browser. In content browser we will get too many objects, so we'll take this horse in the viewport. To take the horse in the viewport we can double click on the horse, or we can drag and drop in the viewport. So we will drag and drop in the viewport here and cancel this window. So we have created the horse here. Now we want to save this file. This file is not yet saved. How can we come to know that the file is saved or not? So the file is named as untitled in the title bar. Means the file has no name. Whatever the file name is there, in front of that we will see one star. The star represents that the file is not yet saved. To save the file we will click on file and then click on the save scene option. After clicking on the save scene we will create one folder on the desktop. So to create a folder on the desktop we can click on this icon to create a folder. After creating the folder we will rename the folder. So we had renamed the folder as horse. Then we can open the folder and rename the file. After renaming the file, we can click on the option save as. Now the file is saved and the file name is horse. So we can see the file name here, and the file format is MB. MB represents Maya binary, and after that we can see where the file is saved, means the location. Now we are not able to see the star mark in front of the horse MB. The star mark will show that after doing the changes we have not yet saved the file. So if I rotate the viewport here, the star mark will again come. So we can save the file if it is not yet saved. After saving the file, now if I want to take a new scene, then to create a new scene we can click on this icon, or we can go to file and hit on the new scene option. So I will click here, and then now this option says, do you want to save the file on above of that file we had saved? So we don't need anymore, so I will click on don't save. This has created a new scene for us, and if we want to open our old file again, then we can click on open scene. To click on open scene we have one option here. So we can click on this icon. This icon represents open scene, or else we can click on the file and again click on the open scene option. This all options has the shortcut keys also. For new scene it is Ctrl plus N, and for open scene there is Ctrl plus O. So we can hit Ctrl plus O on the keyboard, else we can click on the icon, or else we can come in the menu bar and then in menus, file and open scene. Now we want to open that file. It was on desktop and the folder name was horse, and in that folder the file name was horse. We will select the file and then click on open. If we want to do any of the changes in this file, then we can hit right click on the mouse and then select vertex. After selecting vertex, select the number of vertex here. After selecting the vertex we can take this move tool, and using move tool we can take this up here, and then again go to object mode. In this way we can do some changes in the file. After doing some changes, if we want to save this file again, then we can click on the file and click on save scene as, because we want to save another version of this file. And if we want to save this file on above of the same, then we can click on the save scene option. So we want another version of this file. So we can click on save scene as and then rename your version to and then click on the save as option. Now if we want to open, if we take a new scene here and then we want to open the file, we can click on file, open scene. Here we have two files. .mb means Maya binary. So we had saved both the file in .mb version. So what is .mb? MB represents Maya binary and we have two options to save a file. First is Maya binary and second is Maya ASCII. So we can see this both the option here. Here it's mentioned that Maya binary and Maya ASCII. Maya binary is a main file format for Maya, kind of raw file format, and Maya ASCII is a kind of older version. So in the older version it was saved as Maya ASCII. So Maya ASCII it might help you to open with a lower version. So if we open this file again, here we can see that whatever changes we had done in the file, we can see that. And if we want to see the older version of this file, then we can again click on this option called open scene and then we can select the first version and then open it again. So we can see in the first version it is not yet modified. In this way we can save the number of version we want.